Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the following service. In today's video, we're taking a look at PNC Bank and their online presence at pnc.com. Navigating their website, you'll discover a range of financial services catered to both individuals and businesses. PNC offers various checking and savings accounts tailored to different needs, from basic accounts to high-yield options, with added perks. They also provide a suite of loan products, including mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans. For those seeking to invest, PNC offers wealth management and investment advisory services, covering everything from retirement planning to brokerage accounts. Businesses aren't left out either, with dedicated services for treasury management, merchant services, and lending solutions. The website boasts a user-friendly interface, making it easy to find information on specific products, access online banking, and locate branch locations. Furthermore, PNC offers digital tools like mobile banking and online bill pay, providing convenient ways to manage your finances on the go. Security is a priority, with multiple layers of protection in place to safeguard customer data. Exploring the site reveals educational resources and financial planning tools, demonstrating PNC's commitment to empowering their customers. Overall, PNC's online platform presents a comprehensive and accessible financial resource center for individuals and businesses alike. Be sure to delve into their website at pnc.com to discover the full extent of their services and offerings. Remember, it's always a good idea to research and compare different financial institutions to find the one that best aligns with your individual needs and financial goals.